Jeffrey was the hardest working accountant in his building. He worked all day and night, day after day, for 2 years, and he hasn't got a raise yet. After a while, he kept on trying to get a raise by asking his boss, but Michael, his co-worker, kept on getting the spotlight. After a while, Jeffrey got frustrated and went on the internet and searched up how to get attention and how to speak correctly. He came across a video that was about modulation, and he used all of the tactics said in that video to get the spotlight, to get the attention of his boss. He used all the tactics and the confidence he has gained to get the raise. So how did Jeffrey do this? One word: modulation. So what is modulation? Modulation is the variety of pitch, volume, and pace to convey a certain emotion. The first is pitch. Pitch is the highness and lowness of your voice. A higher pitch will demonstrate a sense of excitement, enthusiasm, or surprise, while a lower pitch can demonstrate seriousness, confidence, and authority. Let me ask you something. Can you recite a page in a book? You probably can't. But let me ask you another question. But can you recite a whole song? You probably can. It's because it has melody and rhythm. That's why it's rememberable. If a song had the same pitch for all of the song, it won't be a good song because it doesn't give you a certain emotion. The second is volume. Volume is the loudness and softness of your voice. Using different volumes is necessary for impact and attention. A louder volume can show confidence, passion, and urgency, while a softer volume can show intimacy, sincerity, or suspense. Avoid using constant volume because constant volume will make you sound monotone. The third is pace. Pace is the speed of your voice. Using a faster pace can show energy, excitement, or urgency. And a slower pace will show importance, clarity, or emphasis. A quick tip for you: avoid using the same pace always because it will make you sound like a robot. The last thing I can tell you is your face is the remote control of your emotion. If you have the same face always, you gotta have the same voice also. I'll give you an example. You cannot be mad if you don't have a mad frown on your face. You cannot. And also, you cannot be smiling and someone will take you seriously. So you have to have a certain face to have a certain emotion. This is the end of the video, and to recap, the important key points in this video is pitch, pace, and volume. Thank you for watching all of this video, and see you tomorrow.